These rocks aren't my challenge. Josh is.
Oh, I'm your challenge.
Yeah, you have to get up and over that, huh?
Every time I see these rocks and you go, Hector made it up it, rocks aren't my challenge anymore. Hector is.
I too would set goals that high.
Yeah.
If I were you.
There it is.
Uh-oh. Pass it back. Yeah, right there. Right there. Come on. Come on. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Back up a little bit. And then you're going to run at it. All right, now hit it. All right, one more time. A little bit more faster. All right. All right. I'll hit it.
Yes.
Stop, 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 stop.
That was his that was just this right here.
Oh, that was the fender.
Yeah.
Blew out the plastic.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good.
You blew out your fender. All right. Try it again.
No, that wasn't fender.
Aaron, watch the front. I'm gonna watch the rear. We're gonna see if we can back him out, and then we gotta take him around. What happened? What do you think happened?
What do I think happened?
Yeah.
And that's a wrap.
I mean, I don't know. It didn't seem like I was scraping any diff or anything like that.
You were slightly hitting the front diff. I mean, I'm talking like you could probably put a hair through it. That's about it. Something is definitely binding in the front end, and it sounds like now the axle seal is starting to leak in the back. We'll get you home, so that's not bad. But let's get you on that other way around this.
do it. You better at least, especially after talking all that shit.
I too would set goals that high
Yeah.
if I were you.
Oh yeah.
This wet sand,
It's no joke. It's no joke, man.
it wasn't wet last year.
If this wasn't all sandy with this wet sand, you'd already be over it.
A lot of you would have been.
Last year. Keep following. Good. Stay on that side. Oh, sorry. Oh, you want this?
I need a drink. I need a drink.
Bring your line out. Bring your line out. Let it go. We gotta get you up the rest of the way.
Yeah, that was all CG, post edit.
I've earned this yet again.
How do you feel?
God.
That was slippery, especially that one rock.
I got
You were sliding off where you climbed up last year. That's
this wet sand this year, 100% different. I'm like, I need a minute.
that first line you tried to take, it just slid you.
Yeah.
Last year you went right up.
Last year, literally crawled right up it. I got goosebumps. like, I'm. Whew. I need out. I need to go walk.